When it comes to installing windows in your home, the weather plays a crucial role in determining the best materials and installation methods. In Jennings, a region known for its variety of seasonal conditions, understanding how weather patterns can affect window installation is essential for making informed choices. Whether you're renovating your home or building from scratch, your window installation decisions should consider both the climate and your home's specific needs. The impact of Jennings' seasonal weather. Jennings experiences a mix of humid summers, chilly winters, and occasional rainstorms. These weather conditions create unique challenges for homeowners when it comes to selecting the right windows. The high humidity levels in the summer can cause certain window materials to warp or deteriorate, while the colder months may require energy-efficient windows to keep your home warm. Here's how the weather affects various aspects of window installation. Window materials for humid summers. During the warmer months, Jennings can experience high humidity, which can wreak havoc on some materials. Wood, while a popular choice for its aesthetic appeal, is particularly vulnerable to swelling, rotting, and warping under these conditions. Homeowners in Jennings may want to consider materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite windows. These materials are more resistant to moisture and provide excellent durability without compromising on energy efficiency or visual appeal. Vinyl windows, in particular, are ideal for areas with high humidity. They are low maintenance and won't warp, crack, or peel, even under heavy rain or humidity. For homeowners who prefer a more traditional look, composite windows are an excellent choice. These windows combine the beauty of wood with the durability and low maintenance of synthetic materials. Energy efficiency for cold winters. As winter approaches, temperatures in Jennings can dip below freezing, which makes energy efficiency a top priority for window installation. Inefficient windows allow heat to escape, resulting in higher heating costs and a less comfortable indoor environment. To combat this, double or triple pane windows are recommended, as they provide superior insulation and help to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Windows with low emissivity, low-E, glass coatings are also beneficial in colder climates. These coatings reflect heat back into the room during the winter, reducing the amount of heat lost through the windows. This feature is especially important in Jennings, where energy bills can spike during the winter months. Homeowners should prioritize windows that offer a good balance between insulation and natural light, which is often limited in winter due to shorter days. Rainstorms and window durability. Jennings is no stranger to rainstorms, which can be particularly intense during the spring and summer months. Excessive moisture can lead to issues with condensation, mold, and mildew, especially if windows are not properly sealed. To prevent water infiltration, homeowners should ensure their windows are properly sealed with weather-resistant caulking and flashing. Additionally, choosing windows with a sturdy frame material is important. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are both resistant to the effects of moisture and will not corrode or rust over time. Homeowners should also consider windows with tempered or laminated glass for added protection against strong winds and flying debris during storms. These windows are more impact resistant and can provide peace of mind during unpredictable weather events. UV protection and solar heat gain. While not as severe as some parts of the country, Jennings does experience periods of intense sunlight, especially during the summer months. Ultraviolet, UV, rays can cause furniture, flooring, and upholstery to fade over time. Windows with built-in UV protection can help reduce this effect, ensuring that your interior spaces remain vibrant and protected from sun damage. Additionally, solar heat gain can be a concern in the summer, as the sun's rays heat up your home. Low-E glass windows with reflective coatings can help to block some of this heat, keeping your home cooler and reducing the need for air conditioning. This is an essential consideration for homeowners looking to maintain energy efficiency throughout the year. Final thoughts. When choosing windows for your Jennings home, it's important to consider how local weather conditions will affect your decision. From humidity and rain to cold winters and sunny days, the climate plays a significant role in determining the best materials, installation methods, and features for your windows. By choosing durable, energy-efficient windows that are suited to the local weather, you can enjoy a more comfortable and cost-effective home for years to come. Whether you opt for vinyl, fiberglass, or composite windows, taking the time to make the right choice will pay off in the long run, ensuring your home stays protected, energy efficient, and stylish in every season.